ever wondered about the complexities of troubleshooting an MRI machine? Today, we delve into this intricate process, shedding light on the steps that professionals take to keep these vital medical devices operational. First and foremost, safety is paramount. In the face of unusual sounds, smoke, or peculiar vibrations, it is crucial to shut down the machine immediately and evacuate the area. The safety of patients, staff, and yourself is always the priority. Next, contacting the manufacturer or service provider is vital. Oftentimes, these machines are under maintenance contracts, and these professionals possess the training and expertise to diagnose and resolve problems. Be sure to note down any error messages or codes displayed on the machine for reference when communicating with these experts. Under the guidance of a qualified technician, basic checks can be performed. These include ensuring a stable power supply, checking all cables and connections, verifying the functionality of cooling and ventilation systems, and confirming that room temperature and humidity levels are within the recommended range. However, remember that it's crucial not to attempt repairs. Dismantling components or opening the machine should be left to the professionals. Attempting to do so without the necessary knowledge and experience can be dangerous and may cause harm to the equipment or compromise patient safety. Keeping detailed records of the issue is another important step. Note down when the issue occurred, any unusual symptoms or sounds, and any actions taken to address it. This information can be indispensable for service providers when diagnosing the problem. If a patient is in the MRI machine and a problem arises, their safety must be ensured by following MRI safety protocols. Depending on the situation, terminating the scan might be necessary. Familiarizing oneself with the emergency shutdown procedures for the MRI machine is also crucial. Knowing these procedures can be a lifesaver in case of critical issues or emergencies. Lastly, remember that prevention is better than cure. Regular maintenance of the MRI machine, as per the manufacturer's recommendations, can significantly reduce the likelihood of issues. In summary, troubleshooting an MRI machine involves prioritizing safety, contacting professionals, performing basic checks under guidance, maintaining detailed records, and ensuring regular maintenance. Remember, these machines are complex and delicate, so never attempt to repair them on your own. Always seek professional assistance and follow the manufacturer's guidelines to ensure the longevity and functionality of